I wasn't sure what to cook. It's a gorgeous day outside. So I opened up my fridge and I found this beauty. I'm going to take it out of the bag, but I wanted to show you how nicely sealed this comes. So this is a rolled stuffed pork tenderloin. It's got Parmesan and all kinds of other good herbs all rolled inside. So the hard work is done for me on that. So I'm pretty excited for dinner. And it's not going to take long to prepare. And yes, it's super warm in my kitchen because it's 23 degrees outside. And I have the oven on. And then all I have to do is put my pork in my dish. And I'm not going to put it in yet. So here's the thing. Pork doesn't have to be cooked till it tastes like shoe leather. Pork can have a little bit of pink. It will not give you trichinosis, I promise. You don't want it rare. This is for sure. But it can have a little pink, and you definitely don't want it gray. This is not a meat that does really well with being well done. So, because somebody else prepared this for me, I'm super lucky. I don't have to do anything. And I'm going to check with Chef Scott. I know this is one of his specialty meat purveyors down at the St. Lawrence Market that makes these. I've bought them before when I went down there and shot myself. I'm going to keep this to the side. I'm going to wait until the potatoes and the tomatoes are mostly cooked. Then I'm going to put this in, and I will cook this until it's just a little bit pink inside. When I take the tomatoes out, I'm going to grate on some fresh Parmesan cheese that's got some parsley on it, and toss that in. And that's my dinner.